Hi, I'm Tess Salter.
And I'm Casey Sternsmith. Welcome to 20 Mosswood Way in Hillsborough.
This mid-century jewel in the Carolands has been transformed with just completed updates and is also an opportunity to further customize into your own personal vision. Enjoy the freshly updated landscaping, including an all-new front walkway at this knoll-top setting on over 1/2 acre. As you enter, signature cathedral ceilings with entire walls of glass at the front and rear fill the home with light, while new paint and refinished hardwood floors unify the one-level floor plan with designer style. Formal dining room with chandelier and an expansive front window. Freshly painted kitchen cabinets, built-in desk and island, all with new quartz countertops. Appliances include a new gas cooktop, 2 ovens, dishwasher, and a sub-zero refrigerator. The flow is wonderful for indoor-outdoor living with a sparkling pool on the rear grounds at the center of it all. The home offers 5 bedrooms. 4 bedrooms are all tucked away in a private wing, providing plenty of options. With 2 full baths, including one with a dual sink vanity and tub with overhead shower. The 5th bedroom is located on the opposite wing, ideal for your home office or guests. The 3rd bath has shower and direct access to the pool. The flat backyard is the ideal oasis for playing catch, swimming, shooting hoops, and enjoying all California has to offer. Other features of the home include laundry room with washer and dryer, attached 2-car garage with additional built-in storage, and sliding glass doors to the rear yard. Hillsborough is the ultimate place to call home, midway between San Francisco and Silicon Valley, ranked number 13 on Forbes' list of most expensive zip codes. Hillsborough has excellent public and private schools, no commercial zoning, a private golf course, wooded areas plus San Francisco Bay views, and it is just minutes to downtown Burlingame for upscale shops and restaurants. Welcome home.
Thinking of buying or selling? You have but one phone call. The Sternsmith Group. Your realtor matters. Experience the difference.